Hello everyone, you've either come to this video coming from Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube and you are simply looking for a legitimate way to make some extra cash. And I will let you know you have indeed found a 100% legitimate way to make some extra cash. In doing so this way, the system is completely free, alright? So there is going to be a button down below this video that says get started now, and it will take you to the exact system that I am using to generate over $1,000 or more per day. Okay, what I am using is called the Crypto Money Maker, and again, click the button down below this video immediately because spots are very limited and you do not want to miss out on this free system. So click the get started now button that is down below this video, and it will take you to the official Crypto Money Maker website, which looks just like this. What you're going to do is enter an email. I'm going to enter a test email just for this purposes, to show you all what you need to do in order to get in and reserve your spot so you can start making over $1,000 per day, just like me and a lot of others. All right, so you're going to come to this website, enter your valid email, then you're going to click on reserve your spot. Once you click on reserve your spot, you want to come over here and complete this short, simple form, and then you want to click on this button that says become crypto magnet. I'm telling you, you want to take advantage of this free system. Okay, again, spots are very limited, so make sure that you hurry and click the button down below this video and get signed up now. You will indeed make over $1,000 per day as long as you know how to copy and follow directions. It is not hard. It is not hard. It is not hard. All right, so make sure you come here, get signed up, click on become crypto magnet, and I will see you on the inside. Be prepared to make a lot of life-changing income. Have a great day.